So I got an old keyboard here from a laptop, and I already did the hard part of getting it out. And I removed all the screws. Now I'm just going to split it apart. I can get it. It's juicy, juicy membrane. Oh. Apparently we can use these as like a hipster lampshade. So I thought we would try that. Because it looked pretty cool, I gotta say. So I initially had a very particular idea of what I was going to do, but I was playing around and I think this looks really cool. So I think we're going to make our lamp like this. Also, it could be cool cosplay. Initiate glow aid sequence. You usually separate it if it's stereo speaker wire. Woo! I'm gonna get 2 wires for the price of a wire. Unless you paid for that wire, then it's not cheaper. Look at that, it's even the proper gauge. So I looped it out instead, through the holes. Whoop. Alright. Oh, duh. Alright, I skipped ahead a little bit because we already did that part. But I made the knot kind of better. So practice makes perfect. Now it's kind of hard to get at the switch. Okay.